In front of me is OnePlus Pad Lite LTE, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and hitting Clipboard at the top of it. Now to activate it, use the switcher at the top right corner. To use it, you need to go back to standard keyboard by tapping on this arrow at the top left corner. Now here's my favorite part. Because to use Clipboard, you can copy or cut any text and paste it instantly at the top of your keyboard. But if you want to paste it later on, you can click on Clipboard and tap on your text over here. Side note, this text will disappear after an hour unless you open it. If you want to pin it, hold it and tap on pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. To remove anything from your Clipboard, you can either hold it and swipe it to the right, or hold it and wait for this pop-up to show, then hit delete. Now to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!